Recently, the government has made some changes to the negative gearing in their budget speech. So, in this video, we are going to discuss about some of those scenarios and try to answer the questions. You have an existing investment property. The rules around negative gearing has been grandfathered. What that means is you can continue claiming the negative gearing. If you are planning on buying a brand new investment property, you can still claim the negative gearing on it. A lot of people has been wondering and asking what will happen to their owner occupied property if it's converted into investment. The good news is the grandfathering is applicable to that property as well, which means you can continue claiming negative gearing once it's converted into the investment property. What this also means is that your borrowing capacity might be impacted. The banks has flagged they might be updating their servicing calculators. So it's best to check your borrowing capacity again. Please feel free to reach out to discuss more in detail. Thank you.